Okay, now we're going to explore add resources. What we first learned is label, which we did already in a video I already posted. So label we will not do. Let's do a URL. And I'm exploring with you for the first time. So we're going to add a URL. And here we go. Name, external URL, description. And I'm going to give it a name called Drawing Penguins. And my external URL, I'm going to add that. Now, you can't just copy and paste your URL here. You must hit the drop box, choose a link. And now, once you've done that, you must go to the top file, and these are your choices. So I'm going to hit URL downloader because I actually have a URL I want to download. So here it is. And I hit download and I see it. So that's a good sign. Now let's see what we would do now. Okay, it's giving me I have to drop into box. Well, I don't want to do that. Okay, we've managed to download it, but unfortunately there's no other instructions or options, and I don't really know what we're supposed to do with this. Maybe we should click it. So let's click it and see what happens. Select this file. Okay, let's select it, and unbelievable. So we chose the link, we hit URL, and then it showed up and there was no options to do anything. So we clicked on the picture and then voila! The next page lets you save it. So when you get frustrated, if you get frustrated, just click anywhere and keep clicking, and maybe one day Moodle will actually say, hello, this is correct. Okay, now I'm going to hit save and return to course and see if it saves it. Go all the way down, drawing a penguin. And there's no picture here, which I would love to have a picture of the penguin, but here. Then it shows up how to draw a penguin. So thank you. That was not such a difficult. Hi, I've skipped ahead now, and I've went to add a resource page. Now I'm reading it. So you can create a web page, and you can put images, sound, video, web links, and embedded codes. This is better than the file module because it's easier to update and more accessible. But if you're going to use large amounts of content, then you should use a book rather than a page. Okay, a page can be used to present the terms and conditions of a course or summary of the syllabus. You can also embed videos and sound files. So let's explore that. Okay, when I hit page, I'm filling out some of the facts, more about penguins, description, check out more facts about amazing penguins, do it on the course page, and now page content. Okay, I see there's some penguin sounds here with pictures. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but let's try it. Okay, so I picked out a URL link from YouTube, and I put that as a link, and I hit insert. Okay, I went into preview now to see what it looks like, because I've learned that you should check each and every step, make sure it got saved. So I see it got saved, but it doesn't look like a web page to me. It's very big. I would like it to be smaller, but I don't know how to do that. Okay, so I wanted to check it to make sure that it gets saved, because I never know if it got saved. But now, in order for me to continue editing, I have to see if that's possible. So I'm going to go back to return and go back to the very, very bottom and see if it lets me do that. More about penguins. So here I go back into edit. Edit settings. Now let's see. Okay, so more about penguins. and check out more facts about amazing penguins. Okay, I don't see the link that I put there. So here we go, down here, check out penguin sounds. And I don't know how to make that smaller, so I'm actually going to make that the bottom. Okay, and now I'm going to add some more things like check out penguins on Pinterest. Okay, now I've managed to do that, and then I put something else to click, and here it's grayed out. Everything's grayed out. So what I wanted to do was actually put in the URL link and add pictures, but it doesn't let me. And now it says leave this page, and I'm afraid that everything is going to get lost. Let's see. I find that Moodle is very, very difficult to learn. And now more about penguins. Let's see if it worked. Check out penguin sounds. So you see it didn't save what I had done before because I had added another URL code. Because I don't like it so big, but I don't know how to make it small. So I won't be able to do that. So I'm going to go back to return to topic 14, and we are just going to keep on figuring it out, and it may just be one small thing we figure out in the next 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go back and hit the edit button again, and I'm going to hit edit settings, and I'm going to just repeat exactly what I did, but this time I won't look at it to see what it looks like because that gets confusing. So what I did here was I had to go back into the link and write penguins, or check out Pinterest. Check out penguins on Pinterest. And I'm going to go back here and link it. Okay, and I put penguins on Pinterest. I don't even have to do that. Okay, and I hit insert. And all that's the easy stuff. But I wanted to add something else here because I wanted to just do something else like hit pictures. Okay, I wanted to get them from Wikipedia. So let's see if we can do that. Image URL or image description or find or upload an image. Let's do that. Let's see if this will work. And we want to look for the Wikipedia option, which we saw before that you could do, right? And that is not Wikimedia. You have to always scroll down, scroll up. It's completely, there's no gray boxes to show you scroll up or scroll down or there's more. You just kind of have to learn how Wikimedia works, how this all works. I'm going to put penguins, okay? And now I'm going to submit it, and let's see what shows up. Tons of pictures. I'm going to pick one. I would like to have the whole thing be there, not just one picture, but it looks like I can only pick one file and not the whole link. Okay, so I forget, these were Edinburgh penguins or something? Edinburgh penguins. And I'm going to insert that. Well, see, that's not really now what I said over here. Check out penguin sounds. I also get this huge page. And here I'm going to say, check out penguins on Wikimedia. Okay, but I just got a picture. I didn't get Wikimedia. So I'm going to go up here because I don't get the link. I'm just going to go Wikimedia penguins. Just do it that old-fashioned way. Get into that. Okay, and I'm just going to click this. And I'm going to go back and do this simple URL thing, which I've done each and every time because I haven't figured it out. And we hit the link. We're going to go up here and we're going to put penguins on Wikimedia, and I'm going to hit insert. And I don't really see how this looks like a web page. Now let's see what it looks like. More about penguins. I wonder how you can edit the size of a video. Check out penguins on Pinterest, check out penguins on Wikimedia. Okay, you wouldn't even know it's so big. Check out penguin sounds. Now, I think what I would like to do is learn how to make these as thumbnails, not huge items, huge photos. I don't know how to do that. And I also don't see what is so different about doing a web page versus the way I prefer it would be not to use a web page. I don't understand the benefit of the web page because I would prefer small things like this, like doing URL options, like I did with drawing a penguin, and just say penguins on Pinterest, and then another URL option, penguins on Wikimedia, and another one saying sounds of penguins. I'd rather see it all on one page, on this topic page, rather than have to click this and see these huge pictures and not even know that there might be something underneath it. Of course, anyone who can clarify how to do this in a more efficient way is more than welcome, because I find that I'm doing things in a very inefficient manner. Thank you, and I'm very frustrated.